Welcome to Gayathri's Cook Spot. I'm Gayathri Kumar and today I'll show you how to make eggless red velvet crinkle cookies for this Valentine's Day. In a bowl, mix together milk, melted butter, sugar and cocoa powder. Combine them with a whisk. Now add vanilla essence and liquid tomato red color. And mix it properly. You can also use gel colors or powder color. Use 1 batch of maida and baking powder. That is, I've used 75 grams at first. And once the dough is smooth, add in the remaining 25 grams of maida. Using a spatula, mix it thoroughly. The dough needs to be soft and smooth. Transfer it to a bowl and refrigerate it for 1 hour. You can see the dough is very loose and only after refrigeration it will be thick. Look at the texture now. It's now thick and you can handle it easily. Pinch a small portion and shape it into a ball. And arrange these balls on a plate. Refrigerate them for another 30 minutes and by the time preheat your oven to 180 degrees centigrade. Mix together icing sugar and corn flour. Place each cookie ball inside this mixture and coat it evenly. This gives the crinkle effect. Arrange the dough on a baking tray and bake for 20 minutes in the preheated oven. Look how beautiful the cookies are. Once they are warm enough, remove the cookies from the tray and allow them to cool completely on wire rack. The texture is just like a cake, but the top of the cookies are a bit firm, so they are like cookie and a cake. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Please like, share and comment, and please subscribe to my channel to receive updates. Bye.